All right, here we are, mid-2026. Maximo world is around the corner. We've talked about in other videos that right now, for those who did not already make the switch to the application suite and are still on 7.6, why they're actually reaping the benefit, potentially, of waiting. Just simply because of the maturity of AI in the market and how it can accelerate so many aspects of an upgrade or even a reimplementation process. And alongside of that, what we want to talk about here is Smart Start and how Smart Start is the right vehicle or packaging to make all of that happen. When we brought Smart Start out years ago, it was with the intention of helping organizations find a way to trim down Maximo screens and mobile screens to what they actually needed, while still retaining the ability to add more features and functions as they grew. And in doing that, we created 5 maturity levels from completely reactive to prescriptive, and gave the customer the ability to select which level you're at based upon the measurements and the KPIs that are being given to you. And you don't have to call us back if you have grown and matured. You don't need more consulting services. You just make that switch yourself. Well, that has now grown tremendously into a standardized platform that not only retains the maturity levels, but can provide more guidance to you in what you need to do to move to the next maturity level, provide you greater depth in your KPIs. It can provide you more capability in terms of ingesting data from other sources because of the improved data tools that we've built because of AI, and help you build out your data sets as well. Now, this is a big one, the data set problem. One thing that we have seen for years, 30 years in the world of Maximo, and rarely do I see a customer with good asset data. When I say good asset data, I don't mean that they have every asset listed. I mean every asset has a manufacturer, a model number, and spare parts associated with it. That is rare. Well, today, with the various tools available to us, we've built that into Smart Start. So when a technician goes out and they're looking at an asset and Smart Start says, hey, we don't have all the data we need on this asset. Mind taking a picture of that? Want to make sure I know what it is. And I think it's this. Could you click on the one? And you mind taking a picture of the nameplate? Hey, that was manufactured at this time. And I see there are a bunch of manufacturer recommended preventive maintenance plans that we don't have in the system. Would you like to import those? Would you like to import the bill of materials? You get the picture, all right? The data is out there. And so building out our data sets while we're going about our daily routine is incredibly powerful. If there were an easier way to do it, it would have been done. If asking technicians to enter data were going to work, I would have seen it done somewhere in the last 30 years. It doesn't work because we're all still humans. We suffer the same human condition. This is how we're going to get the data. The data drives the information. The information drives better decision making. And that's not just in maintenance of our assets. That's in our financial management of our investment in our assets, our asset investment planning, our capital projects, our plant expansions. So this is tremendously powerful in all of these. And this is what comes with Smart Start. It's no longer simply the maturity levels that are rooted in reliability practices, asset management best practices, and embracing of all regulatory compliance standards. But now it is about completing your data set, helping you predict what's going to fail, helping you look at what the next best opportunity is for improvement in your maintenance program so that you're actually on a path for incremental improvement that generates the greatest value for the work, the effort that you're putting into it. These were things that it took humans in the loop to do traditionally. And now AI can help us make those decisions. AI can present those decision points to us. So with data in hand, we can make better decisions and we can make them faster. When you're looking at your upgrade now, or even a reimplementation or a new Maximo implementation, Smart Start is the layer on Maximo that lets you start running on day one. It's configured, it's ready, it's operational. Sometimes it's hard to imagine for those who have been through these Maximo implementations that take months or years. This is where we are. This is where we are in technology today. It's game changing. It's also time to get on board if you're not there. It's going to move fast. You want to be on it. It's deep water, lots of questions. Hit us up. I'm available. Sales at Benetti. Like, subscribe, give us a call. Get ready with Benetti.